You don't care about them lights, huh? But the people want to know how we did it.
I've been making rounds,
Okay.
doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Teddy ain't want no parts of this, so this is just gonna be us for this video, y'all. People asked how I did the lights on this bad boy here, so let me show you. All right, so before I even throw the battery in, y'all can see I've got the LED strips run through in the battery compartment too. And check this out. I did this so y'all can see that the lights, those don't impede the process of throwing the battery in any more than just Velcro being Velcro, or hook and loop, or whatever you want to call it. We're going to go ahead and strap that in because I'm going to pick this up and turn it around. Oh, I thought I heard my dog walking behind. Nope. Alright, so the Velcro, all that. We'll make sure the transmitter's on. And as you can see, that's lit up. LED strips didn't impede any of the process. So nothing just falls out. And y'all can see how it's illuminated. Don't do what I just did. Throttle is killed.
Motor off. Motor off.
I got 2 clicks before you can even turn it on. So check this out. That ain't even part of the video. Now that y'all see the lights are all on and everything, let's flip it up. Flip it around. Let's show y'all everything. So starting from the bottom. This is really the important part anyway. Yo, I got my McNuggets right by the prop. That's dangerous. That's a no-no. So y'all can see I've got the multicolor strips that actually change here, and I'll show you here in a second. I actually ran a channel through here. I dug some of the foam out so these sit kind of flush. On the wing tips, I just wrapped the LED strip around. I didn't really do anything as far as hollowing out a channel or anything. And then with the wires, I'll admit I was somewhat lazy. I just put some tape. I just pressed them in pretty hard and then put a couple layers of tape. So it's electric tape for the color and then hinge tape to really secure it down. For the inside lights, the white strips, you already saw I had some in the front end on the battery compartment, and y'all see how it kind of snakes in there. Basically, I just ran those wires from here, fished them up through there, taped it in and glued it in different spots, and then did the same thing running back down the tail end of the fuselage. So y'all can see right in here I've got the LED strips on both sides facing outward to basically illuminate the foam. On top of that, we've got the little Crazy Light V3 flashers on the ends and at the bottom of the fuselage. Pretty simple setup. It was about 30, it's closer to 40 bucks, 50 bucks, because the V3 Crazy Lights are what, 25, and then the LED strips from Elec Hawk are like 15 for a pack of 2, and I've got what, 4 LED strips of the white in here, and then of course 1 red, 1 green, and then the 1 multicolor strip switch. This also has this why can I not remember what it's called? I'll throw it up on the screen. But this allows you to actually cycle through the lights and all the different settings and modes and all that good stuff. And y'all can see all the spaghetti. I've got a bunch of splitters in there. Close that back up. Flip this back over. And we're going to turn the lights off so y'all can actually see how well this is illuminated. We'll go ahead and turn these on so y'all get the full glory. Even though I suspect y'all have actually watched some flight videos of this. If not, shame on you. Alright. and I've got the light switch or light set to the left slider. So all the way over and back, a quick cycle changes the light mode. We're going to try these different modes during flight here soon. Like this one here, where it just cycles through them. Slow fade colors. Slow fade, cycle through the colors. I like this one. And then the rainbow. And that's what I've been flying with there. So yeah, pretty simple setup. Everything I got from Amazon. Pretty easy to do. That's it. I'll see y'all next time.